Acid, Bases and Salts, Class 7, Chapter 5, Part 4. Neutral substances. Some chemical substances are neither acidic nor basic, so they are said to be neutral in nature. An example of neutral substance that we use in our common life is common salt. Now, the next topic is pH scale. The strength of the acid or base. This is measured on a scale, and this scale is called pH scale. The scale is graded from 0 to 14. A solution with a pH of 7, this is considered neutral, and solution with a pH of less than 7 are considered acidic, and those with a pH of more than 7 are alkaline. Lesser the pH, more stronger the acid, and for alkaline, greater the pH, the stronger the alkaline or base. Children, you are seeing here gastric acid. Gastric acid that is produced by the stomach has pH 1. Lemon juice pH 2. Apple juice pH 3. Tomato juice pH 4. Black coffee pH 5. Milk pH 6. Pure water pH 7. Egg pH 8. Baking soda pH 9. Hand soap pH 10. Ammonia solution pH 11. Bleach pH 12. And concentrated solution of alkaline pH 13 and 14. So pH values of common substances, these are given here. Now the next topic is indicators. Indicators. We can't taste every substance to identify whether it is acidic or basic. Therefore, to test the nature of an unknown substance, we use indicators. An indicator, this is a substance that helps us to identify whether a given solution is acidic or basic or neutral with the help of a change in color. A small quantity of the indicator is added to the substance being tested or observe a change in color. The indicator does not affect the nature of the substance being tested. Based on the source, indicators, these are of two types: natural indicators and synthetic indicator. Now come to the real world. The color of the flowers of the French hydrangea varies with the pH of the soil. In strongly acidic soil, that is pH below 6, flower turn blue. In alkaline soil, pH above 7, flower turn pink or even red. In slightly acid or neutral soil, pH 6 to 7, flower that are purple or a mix of blue and pink may appear on a single plant. Thus, French hydrangeas act like living indicator of soil pH. They are the living indicator. So that fact is very interesting to know. Now the topic is natural indicators. Indicators obtained from natural sources are called natural indicators. Litmus, China rose, red cabbage and turmeric. These are few natural indicators. Now first we discuss about litmus. Litmus. This is an indicator that is commonly used in the school laboratory. It is a purple dye made from organisms called lichen. Lichen. Purple litmus solution turns red in an acidic solution and blue in a basic solution. Litmus, this is often used in the form of blue and red paper strips also. Acid turns blue litmus paper red while bases turn red litmus paper blue. Children, you are seeing figure 5.9. Lichen. It is an organism or combination of algae and fungus. Now figure 5.10, it indicates testing acids and bases with the litmus paper strip. China rose. China rose, second natural indicator. Petals of China rose or hibiscus flower as shown in the figure 5.11. These are used to make a juice that is used as a natural indicator. To make the indicator, fresh petals are left in the warm water for some time until the water acquires a pink color. The indicator turns dark pink in an acid and green in a base. It gives clear-cut indication of acid and basic substances. If it turns dark pink, then it is acidic, and if it turns green, then it is base, as shown in the figure 5.12. Turmeric. Turmeric or haldi. It is a common ingredient used in Indian dishes. It can also be used as a natural indicator. Turmeric solution, this is yellow in color. Its color remains yellow in acidic substances and neutral substances, but changes to brick red in basic substances. Children, this fact you have observed many times. When some curry it falls on your cloth and the soap is applied, then this stain turn red in color. So that is basic. The soap is basic in nature. It indicates by the turmeric indicator. Red cabbage. Juice obtained from red cabbage is also used as an indicator. Figure 5.15 shows red cabbage. This indicator is purple in color. It changes its color from purple to red in an acid and from purple to green with a base, as shown in the figure 5.16.